Iowa City has a writing community unlike any other.
UNESCO has deemed us to have one of the strongest literary cultures in the world.
The craft of writing, the idea of imagination is taken seriously here. It's literally etched in our sidewalks.
There's a general consensus around the world that Iowa is the center of creative writing, partly because this is where the academic discipline of teaching creative writing began.
Some people come through here and their confidence grows. Some people come through and are terrified because they understand that they're not the only talented writer in the United States.
You know when you sit down in a workshop that you are surrounded by people who care as deeply about craft, about language, about trying to produce work that lasts.
There is a push and an initiative and a respect for writing. That's another benefit of living in Iowa City and going to the University of Iowa specifically.
People both inside the university and outside in the community are deeply invested. This is a place where you can be fully immersed in a literary community.
There is known to be a place where words have dirt on their shoes. They were here who made the sentence behave and misbehave, who added chapter and verse and recast the myths. The cafe grows quiet as they write. The espresso machine lets go the steam. Someone may write.